Learn how to make money taking surveys. Online surveys offer a simple way to earn extra cash and reach your financial goals faster. Discover top legitimate survey sites like Branded Surveys, MyPoints, HeyPiggy, Prime Opinion, Free Cash, Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, Inbox Dollars, CashGick, and Opinion Outpost. Each site varies in availability, age requirements, and payment methods. Factors to consider when selecting survey sites include reputation, number of surveys available, and payout methods. Maximize your earnings by completing profiles, utilizing free offers, and prioritizing surveys with the highest payout rates. Ensure your survey-taking experience is smooth by following best practices like creating a separate email address, taking breaks, and installing antivirus software. Be wary of warning signs indicating potentially illegitimate survey sites, such as membership fees, lack of customer reviews, requests for private information, and challenging qualification processes. Rest assured, surveys for money are legitimate, typically taking 15 to 20 minutes to complete. Some sites even offer instant cash or signing bonus points. Companies pay individuals to participate in surveys to gather valuable market research and consumer feedback. Start making money with online surveys today.